think honestly. Have you ever avoided giving feedback? Have you ever avoided giving feedback? Have you felt uncomfortable to correct someone? Have you felt uncomfortable to correct someone? Next, have you kept silent and later exploded? Okay, in your houses also, your wife is doing small mistakes. Getting irritation. One fine day you are going to blast, exploded. The same style, of course, for wife also. Remember, if you feel that something inconvenient, happily discuss in the clear environment. Okay, in the pleasant environment, discuss. I'm not feeling that much comfortable. Can you please do a small correction I'm expecting from your side? At the beginning only, okay, in the more smooth, understandable way. At the same time, you can ask, any corrections are required from my side. Happily, you can convey. First, you can start the conversation. Yes, what about any correction from my side is required? Are you feeling comfortable like that? From that, you can start the cinema. Okay, feedback word, small conversation, or otherwise just talk clearly. Then their internal intentions you can understand. If you are going to spend half an hour or 1 hour discussion, so what their expectations? Next, why they are doing that? What is the internal reasons? You people will come to know in the small discussion, kind of casual discussion kind of thing. You are not required to give the feedback directly also. Indirectly, you can convey. Even you can receive the feedback from them. A small conversation can save your business. If you are trying to avoid it, it can destroy everything. Have you ever avoided giving feedback? Have you felt uncomfortable to correct someone? Have you kept silent but later exploded? Silence creates problems. Silence creates problems. Feedback solves problems. If you are silent without telling the feedback, the problems are going to be raised. The feedback solves the problems. Remember carefully. So the feedback is that much important. Don't be silent. Some way you require to convey. Some way you require to correct. Okay? Sir, feedback is the backbone of the growth. Growth of any person, growth of any business. It's a backbone of the growth. No feedback means no productivity. No feedback means no productivity. Okay, like that. So if feedback is not flowing from person to person, problems are going to be increased. Performance is going to be decreased. Frustration is growing like anything. That's why open communication creates a strong team. Open communication, transparent communication creates strong team. Remember very carefully. So these points are very important.